In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the coordinates of a point in AutoCAD. Start by typing ID in the command line and press enter. AutoCAD will then prompt you to select a point in your drawing. Click on the point, corner, or endpoint whose coordinates you want to identify. Instantly, the X, Y, and if applicable, Z coordinates will be displayed in the command line. You can repeat this process for any point in your drawing to obtain precise location information. For the best accuracy, make sure Object Snap is enabled so you can select exact endpoints and intersections. This method is especially useful for surveying, layout work, and checking critical dimensions. Knowing point coordinates can also help when sharing reference locations with team members or consultants. You can also use this command to verify imported drawings and ensure objects are positioned correctly. With regular use, the ID command becomes a quick and reliable tool for precision drafting. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.